Hi and welcome to Rearview Mirror. So this is a very small segment where we analyze the possibility of trades that could have been profitably executed on the day for Bank Nifty, and then probably use this experience to take better trades in the coming days. So in the beginning, let me just begin with the fact that I made a loss today, and I'll just show the loss to you, get out, and probably just get that out of the way. So this is a call option that I had bought. So I had a buying bias today because yesterday, even in the price action analysis video, I had said that I'm probably expecting a move up because the first leg up was over, and then I was under the wrong assumption that the pullback was over, and then I was waiting for a leg up. I was stupid because the pullback did not break a bear trend line, and then there was no retest of it, and yet I jumped in because I was overconfident. But I saw the trade happening. I had taken 250 quantities. If you could see, the moment it went south, I bailed out. I took a small loss, and I thought, this is probably where I should. And I had also sold a call option, or sold a put option. You can take a look here. So even this, this is just a small profit, but I was having no conviction in the trade, so I even got out of this position pretty fast. To analyze the day today, these days do come. This part and parcel of considering trading to be a career, and the single most stupidest thing that I did was not to take bullish trades even without this particular trend line being broken. So that is how it is. So again, I just want to quickly go through the day again. So we can see the three pushes down. First push down that came on the 18th of Jan, and this is the second push down on the 19th, and a third push down. So this is a classical wedge pattern formation, right? So, and after this three pushes down, you could see that there was no takeoff in price. So this again symbolizes a failed wedge. Now, when a wedge fails, you can have a measured move down. This is supposed to be a reversal pattern, and it made sense to me. See, because you can have a bullish move without a trendline break, and then you have a bull flag, and a bull flag with three pushes down again in a wedge formation. And here you're pretty sure and pretty confident that you would get a good profit if you take a bullish trade. But that was not to be. So here the wedge pattern failed. Now, when the wedge pattern failed, a failure should actually cause the market to go further down. But that also didn't happen. Again, it found support. So the failure of the wedge pattern also failed. So this is a failed failure. And then the price shot up back again. Again, so I don't know how many failures you can have. Failure, and this failed again to go down. So in short, this is a huge bull flag till now, because both the trend line and the trend channel line are being honored. So there's no reason for us to be bearish till now, at least. So you could see the technical analysis video that I just put up. You can see that I've mentioned that the order flow shows there weren't enough orders, and few great orders. Few large quantity orders at I think 115, I guess. So right around 115, there were like huge quantities of orders that were dumped. Yeah, this particular candle. So a lot of orders were dumped here, and yet it gave a bullish candle. So this could be considered to be an area of support. So tomorrow we could probably look for the measured move up. So the main lesson for today is to not trade before the trend line is breaking. Even if the trend line breaks, you need to have a prior trend channel line that should probably be broken, and that also didn't happen. I was too overconfident, that this was the end of the pullback because of the strong up move that we got. So I was hoping for a measured move up right from here, right after the test of this particular low. And there are so many people who made good profits today. I would like to give a shout out to Intraday Hunter, who has truly been an inspiration, because I see his videos every time I make a loss, and I'm on YouTube all the time, so I can see one of his videos pop up and he says that aaj humne itni profit banai hai, and then it makes me happy, because it shows that there is hope, and then whatever mistakes that you made are yours to own. It's not anybody else's. And you'd be surprised to know, in case you do follow him, or if, in case you don't follow him, you can follow him, or you can subscribe to his channel. You can just search for Intraday Hunter. It's one of the best price action traders that I've seen. He's exceptionally good at what he does. He's an option buyer, so he should be a good recommendation from me. So I think the only trade that he took was from this point here to down, right? So I think from this point here, around 9:55 to 10:15 or so, he took his trade, and then he was out with 90,000 rupees worth of profit. And you can just look at the kind of price action that he is accustomed to. This is all one needs to know, right? This is a small prediction that came right. So this particular move is 102 points in spot. So roughly it would translate to 50 or 60 points in your options contract. So you can multiply that with 1800 quantities that he takes. So it shows how good some traders are, how good they are at making money even in sideways market. They know when to come in, they know when to get out, they know how to scalp. Instead of people who are learning, they hold on to the position, or they hold on to their losses. It makes me feel very happy to see people who made money today. So I don't want to go more into this video, because I'm still a little unhappy with what happened. I'm pretty certain that we could either have better learnings tomorrow, or we could make good profits tomorrow. So, and I hope this was helpful, and I hope anyone else who's made a loss today is able to not let this loss affect tomorrow. These days do come. What is important is to have a winning ratio at your favor. In case you lose 5,000 today, is important for you not to lose more than what you have planned. And when you're winning, you need to win more than what you lost. That would keep you in the game. So that's it from me today. I'd see you again soon.